Well, here's a late 36-inch Hunter Original variant you don't see every day. This is a 1978 version, but yeah, it has the R36 style faceplate. I think this version was made with this style nose. The earliest ones of these had a two-piece, top part was brass, bottom part was cast iron nose. I think they made that from 73, and then 75 they went to this plastic switch housing, and then this was made until 1978, which is when this is from. I think this is like early in the year, because I believe later in 78 they went to the they went to the open bottom plate with the Hunter Original style vents. Here's the tag. It's a new tone light on it. Got this globe off of eBay recently. Go ahead and turn the light on. So yeah, I got this from Lewis Weedman recently. Start on low. Has a bit of cyclic hum. I think that could be shaft wear, possibly. I'm not sure, but it's not too bad. It's usable at least. Has the Leviton high off, low off chain. And here's high. Yep, there's high, and yeah, there's a decent amount of air. Would be neat to find a set of metal blades for it someday, but that's for another day. Yep, pretty decent airflow though, for what it is, being wood blades instead of metal. And turn the light on again. Spin down is fairly decent too. That's good. It is full of oil, so. And these blades are actually from my brown 79 with the open faceplate I used to have up. The original ones were in kind of rough shape, so I decided just to use these, and I think it looks really good. So anyways, thanks for watching.